Good afternoon. It is 5:20 here in Hermitage, Tennessee, April 14th. Yes, I'm playing with audio again. I have noticed that there is now a setting in Zoom where you can allow the participants to choose whether they want to use their original sound or some other sound, be it through a compression mic or whatever. So I've always, until this came along, sound has been good. But I decided I'd play with it, see what happens. Now, I made an original broadcast earlier today. The fan that I have sitting over here was aimed blowing directly across this whole thing and across the face of the microphone. You could clearly hear the fan in the original thing. But I had recorded it with the original sound on. This I have started recording, but the quote original sound unquote is turned off. So now I'm going to turn it on. I have changed the angle of the fan so it is now blowing more on me than blowing directly across into the microphone. So that will make one difference. But now we're going to turn the original sound on, and we're going to have it going to select the microphone to always use the original sound. We're going to choose the Samson mic. This is now what they are classifying as original sound. I don't have any idea what it sounds like and won't have until I stop the meeting, let it render, the whole 9 yards. So we're going to do that, and I may even put both of these and combine them into one video and put them up so that you can get an idea of the whole thing. But this is the original sound on. This is the original sound off. And I'll see you later. Bye.